Hello guys, welcome to my channel T something, and in this video tutorial I will gonna show you how to fix a camera not working on Windows 11 problem. So how can fix this type of error? Let's get started. Before starting of the video, I humbly request you please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. So let's start. Okay guys, first of all, go to your settings of your Windows, and after doing this step, go to your privacy and security and scroll down and click on a camera, and make sure that camera access is on. So access the all applications to the camera. So make sure that is turned on. After that, close it. I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can try a next method. The next method is that go to your device manager, and select the camera app, and after that update the camera driver. So select the camera driver and update it. After that, I hope your problem is fixed, but if your problem is still, then you can go to your uh, website, Google, and after that go to it, and after that go to your accessories and laptops, and Dell laptop, and after that find out the your laptop version, and after that download the your laptop driver, and after that install it, and after installing that, I hope your problem is fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank for watching, and please subscribe my YouTube channel.